Hi, friend. Today we're just going to take a look at an interesting aspect of the human design system. And I want to play around with the two astrological entities that really embody who you are. So here's my chart, just because, again, it's easy for me to talk about my chart because I know it quite intimately. I've had this question posed to me a few times where people feel that their horoscope or their astrological sign doesn't really resonate with them 100%. Well, this is why, is because there's kind of a, per se, a hidden astrological sign with the design information. So this is my chart, and my psychology, my mind, my perspective, that's rooted in the energy of Leo. And Leo, you know, they're self-confident, they're natural born leaders. There's this energy of, well, you know it if you know astrology, this Leo energy. Yet, I'm not comfortable dressing up and high heels and that extravagant look that the Leo energy kind of brings with it. My physical body likes to have flat shoes, very conservative clothing, and that's why. Look at this. My physical body, the astrological sign that rules it is actually Taurus. So it's very down to earth. I love to garden. I love to cook. I like high quality clothes. Yet I don't need to be flashy, right? Leo wants to be flashy, center of attention, blah, blah, blah. That's not Taurus. So, you know, I'm practical, I'm conservative. These are the kind of things that my physical body is. So I would love to hear your comments, any ahas, any of that. Now the important piece is this marries together to create this body graph, okay? This marries together, but it isn't one and it isn't the other. There's this merriment of the two of them. You know, my physical body likes particular things and my mind likes particular things. Mostly, I'll be honest with you, what do I spend most of my energy resources on? That intellectual piece. I spend a lot of my resources being, you know, money, time, and energy into the mind. And that Leo energy pulling that mind in. Now, if I want to actually relax out of the mental plane, my physical body does the gardening and the cooking. And there is absolutely zero thought process put into this. It just happens. So play around with this in your chart. I want you to look at it and go, oh, okay, I see how the physical body is represented and how the psychology is represented. And play with it. Like, look at how beautiful the mandala looks when it all plays together. Look at how beautiful the body graph looks when it all plays together. But it's nice to be able to go, oh, that's what the physical body, that's the representation of the meat suit, and this is the representation of the psychology. So I would love to hear your aha moments and play around with it. See what you feel. I am not an astrology buff. I will tell you that right now. But astrology plays to the mental plane. I'm going to do a whole video on the program. I've been asked to do that. Thank you very much, Rock, for that question to me. And astrology plays on the mental plane. But your physical body is the representation of this energy over here. All right, have fun. Definitely drop me some comments, and I would love it if you are able to like and subscribe to my videos. And next time we will chat again.